Hi, I'm back. So I did 12 lines. This one was 15 and it was a little too much on the sides. So this one I decided to do 12 only. And now we're going to start doing the design. So we're going to start from here, right? This line. So this line. So here we go. We have to grab two solid whites. Two solid whites. We're gonna have to grab one black. By the way, my black beads are not all the same size, so that's also an issue. And then I'm gonna grab a pink and then another black. I'm trying to pick the smaller ones because it's just not it's not looking as pretty as it would if everything was all the same size. So again, we do this. Two solid, one black, one pink, black, and then two solids. And now we're gonna do exactly the same thing. Let's see. Going underneath. Don't forget to do that. We're doing underneath. Making sure that everything is pulled up all the way. And then pressure it with your finger while you're putting the needle through. Okay. And then pull it up. And then now we're gonna do this, repeat this 2 more times, and then I will see you after. Okay, here we go. As you can see, 3 lines are finished. Okay, so now the next line we have to do this line, which is, so do it again. We have one solid white, and then we have one black. We have 3 pinks, 1, 2, 3 pinks, and then we have another black, and then 2 more solid whites. Show you like this. There's another one. Oh, missing a solid white at the end, so I need one more. Sometimes it could be on the needle or on the yarn, so check that before you take everything out, but I just did. I was missing it for sure. So now make sure you put the beads underneath, and then make sure you put one in each slot. It's always the first 2 that's giving an issue, I feel like, and then the rest is easier. Oh, you know what? It's actually, I only needed one white, that's why. So I was correct with the one white. I mean, it's always easier to fix, that's another thing. Like, you can make mistakes, but it's so much easier to fix because you can just take it off easily and then put everything back on and continue. So let's do this. Yes, so much easier now. Like, I have extra beads. I don't have enough slots. Okay. And then this is the last one. Okay. I'm glad this happened because I want to show you it's so much easier to separate this yarn because it's nylon and it doesn't, you see, it's done already, so continue. It can get tangled up, but it's very easy to solve it. So we're going to continue doing this 2 more times and then I will see you after. I'm back, as you can see. So that was the third 3 lines I finished, and now let's see what we have to do. We have finished this line right here. Now we need 1 black, 2 pink, 1 more black, 2 pink, and then 1 more black, like this. So this next 3 lines we're not going to need any white, and then we have to put it underneath like this. I think it's gonna, the colors are really cute together, I think. Just like I said, if the blacks were the same size, it would have been better, but it's okay. We always work with what we have. So next, through 2 more lines, we have to do this, and then I will see you after. Okay, so next 3 lines are finished too, and now what we need to do is, okay, we are using 2 pinks. Now 1 black. Now we're switching to shiny white. 1 more black. 2 more pinks. Okay, like this. Like that. Now, I was concerned about the color. I wasn't concerned about the colors, but I was worried that the black was gonna make it not what I expected, but it actually is coming out way better than I expected. So I'm glad last minute I decided to use that. Okay, so we did that, and then the next line, so now we don't have to, we're not doing the same thing like 3 lines of the same beading anymore. So now it's changing. We have pink, black, 3 light shiny whites, and then 1 more black, 1 more pink, like this, like that. And that's this. We're almost in a middle, so there's another technique that you can use, which I will be making another bracelet with that technique if you don't have this tool. But you can find it anywhere. You can find it in Michael's. They have everything, so. And then next line, we are using 1 shiny, 1 black, 1 shiny, 1 more black, 1 shiny, 1 more black, 1 more shiny. Like this. And now it keeps getting stuck there. Okay. We're almost there, guys. It's actually so much fun. Like, I don't, like, as you can see that it's coming together and you can see the design. It only gets better. Okay, now we are doing 2 shiny whites. I wonder if I'm going to be able to tell the difference. I think you can. You might have to pay a little attention, but you can tell the difference between the whites. Again, 2 shiny whites, we all one black. Now we're gonna use solid white. And then another black. And then 2 more shiny. Especially if they're next to each other, I feel like you can tell the difference. I mean, again, you have to have a, you have to be a little attention to detail, you know. But it's okay. I'm gonna know. I know the difference. I'm doing this for myself anyway. Right? Look, like this. It's coming together. Like this. Now we have to do a shiny. We have to do black. We have to do 3 solid whites. And then 1 more black. And then 1 more shiny white. Like this. I mean, like you can tell the difference between the solid and the shiny one.